Are you ready to build a sales page that converts? Well, this step-by-step Kajabi tutorial will show you how to create a professional, high-converting sales page that turns visitors into paying customers. But before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in this course, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now those are worth over $900, but you'll get them at no cost. The best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. Now let's dive in. So Kajabi makes it super easy to create a sales page that converts. So when you log into Kajabi, go to the website section and click on landing pages. Here you're going to see all of your pages. Now to create a new one, click on the new landing page button in the top right corner. So instead of building everything from scratch, you can use one of Kajabi's pre-designed templates. Now this keeps things simple and it lets you focus on customizing the content for your audience. There's a secret formula to making a high converting sales page. For example, you can select the lead generation page wizard template, then pick your logo, button color, background color, font, and font color. And once that's done, just hit the continue button in the top right corner. Next up, add your landing page headline and supporting text. Kajabi has a great feature that lets you generate content for your sales page using Kajabi AI. So if you want to use it, click on the generate content for your page button. A window is going to pop up where you can enter your topic. Hit the generate button and Kajabi will create a unique headline and supporting text for you. If you like it, click the apply button and the content will be added. Then click continue at the top right corner to move ahead. Now it's time to set up your social links like Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, LinkedIn, or TikTok. If you're not ready to add these yet, just click the finish button at the top right corner. This will create and finalize your landing page. A pop-up window will appear with a link that you can copy and share with others. Now, when your landing page is good to go, you can make it look exactly how you want. Just go to the landing pages option under the websites tab in your Kajabi dashboard. You'll see all of your landing pages there. So to change the design, click on the three dots next to the page that you want to edit. And from the drop-down menu, pick Edit Design. Then this will take you to the Kajabi landing page editor. Here, you can tweak the design and make it fit your style and branding. The editor is simple to use, so adjusting everything to match your business goals is easy. Inside the editor, you'll see a sidebar on the left side, and this is where you can add and customize sections for your landing page. You can include things like header, opt-in forms, text blocks, footers, exit pop-outs, and two-step opt-ins. Everything that you need is right there. Customizing sections is easy as well. Just click on the block that you want to edit and the editor will give you the options to update it directly. For example, when you select a text block or headline, you can change the words, the font size, colors, and alignment. If you click on an opt-in form, you'll see options to adjust the fields, colors, text, and buttons. Now this helps you make the page match your brand perfectly. If you'd like to make your sales page even better, just click on the Add Section button in the sidebar. When you do so, a list of options is going to pop up, and you can choose from things like testimonials, videos, extra text, or image sections, CTAs, or even more detailed forms. Pick what you need, and it's going to show up on your page ready for you to edit and make your own. Plus, it's super easy to move sections around. I mean, you can drag them up or down in the sidebar to change the order. This way, you can create a smooth flow that makes visitors more likely to take action. Kajabi is built to automatically adjust your landing page for all screen sizes like desktop, tablet, and mobile, but you can still fine-tune the layout to make it even better for different devices. At the top of the Kajabi page editor, you're going to see icons for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Click on each one to preview how your page is going to look on every screen. If something doesn't look quite right, you can tweak the margins, padding, or layout for each section. Keep adjusting until everything looks great, no matter what device someone is using. And finally, when you're happy with your design, go ahead and click the Save button in the top right corner to keep your changes. To make sure that everything looks great and works smoothly, go ahead and click on the Preview button at the top right. This shows you exactly what your sales page is going to look like to visitors. You'll be ready to launch a polished, high converting sales page that turns your visitors into happy customers. And that's it for this video, guys. And as promised, I got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all of the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. And this is an affiliate link, so I'm going to earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. Now, it doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And this is just a quick course where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. So when you use my link, you're also going to get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you will get them at no cost. Now, the best part is you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. Now, I want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.